How to get money back from Vinted or the Vinted refund method. Now in this video, I'll show you some descriptions or informations on how you can process refund from your Vinted account. Now the very first thing that you want to have to do first is to check out their refund policy. Now the refund policy allows that your package never arrives or your package was damaged in transit or your item is significantly not as described or incorrect item. Now next is to fully understand their return process, and of course this is where you need to pay attention more on. So say for example you just receive your item and unfortunately, you have either of these options right here, which has a big issue and wanting to get your money back. So make sure to report your issue within 2 days and request a refund immediately. Now, they will have to investigate it first so that you will have a confirmation about the refund that you will be processing. And for you to have track on that is just to log in into your Vinted account, click your account tab right here and then go into My Orders, and this is where you can access the process of your refund. And that's it. That's how you get your money back from Vinted or the Vinted refund method.